Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn 5 lines on International Yoga Day. The 12th International Day of Yoga takes place on 21st June 2026. This year's official theme is Yoga for Healthy Aging. Highlighting yoga's ability to promote physical vitality, mental clarity. Encourages people of all ages to adopt healthy lifestyles. Millions participate in synchronized demonstrations. International Yoga Day is observed globally through mass yoga sessions, wellness workshops, and educational programs. Thank you.